Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to do share screen on your Zoom application. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Zoom application. Right, the next thing you need to do is just go open the meeting section. There will be like several sections down part here, so you just need to go book the sections. And after that you just need to create a new meeting, or you can also join the meeting that have been created by your friends, your team, or your co-workers. But if you want to create by your own, you just need to go click this meeting and then just go click start meeting. And here you just need to wait until the meeting room is conducted. And whenever it's already begin, now the thing that you have to do for the next is just go tap the screen until this information down here is pop up on your screen. And the next thing you need to do is just go slide those information into the left side until you found this share. Now you just need to go click it and pick the top line, which is the screen. And then you already record the screen activity of your phone. So that is the way how to do a screen record on a Zoom application or share a screen on Zoom application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.